Hey guys, I'm Ella.
And I'm Align, also known as the Bearded Bear. And today, we're going to introduce you to the FJ Cruiser.
Fiji.
This is Ella's car named Fiji. I drive it sometimes, so new to me, not new, but new to us. And we have a little bit of a problem with it. I'll let her show you. Don't mind the traffic. So, it seems to have developed a little bit of a noise. Yeah. So, to remedy that, we bought something to fix that specific issue. Although it sounds pretty cool, give it another one. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. We'll see if we can get this straightened out, and we'll catch you guys inside.
Alright guys, we're inside.
Excuse the noise.
The squeaky machine over here.
Hold on, we'll get a good little close up of him.
Frank the Tank. You guys
Alright.
want him alone? Alright, Travis, he's gonna help us unbox the remedy to my problem in Fiji. We decided to go with We decided to go with the FlowMaster.
So here's what we decided on. It is the Flow FX Extreme system. Extreme. The problem is there's not much information about these FlowMaster systems online. There's kind of like little FlowMaster videos of them doing a before and after kind of dealy.
What it sounds like.
That's Henry. That's Henry.
I just gotta get FaceTime too.
Yeah, kind of like a stock sound versus a, aftermarket sound with this thing. And it gives a little bit of grunt.
Not as much as it is now.
Yeah, our issues, we have a pretty substantial exhaust leak. So we need to do something about that. Because she keeps getting pulled over.
I'm going too fast, but
she's
really not.
She just sounds like she's going fast. So let's get this open. It's going to be new to us, checking it out. It's a pretty cool system. It's like a cutout, dump in front of the actual rear axle. Getting the old one off is going to be harder than actually installing this thing.
It may be a little bit. Cause
the old one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I might have high centered on a snow mound.
We're not gonna talk about that.
I was trying to have fun, but
we're not gonna talk about that.
We're not gonna talk about that. Yeah.
So let's get this thing open though.
On to the next thing. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. But it's also in a couple pieces. So.
No, I believe it's only 2-piece.
Oh, I guess Umi is also gonna help us unbox.
Yeah, pretty babies.
Hello, pretty girl. Can I watch your tush? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I swear, she knows how to use a knife, guys.
I do when there's no cats on the box. Cut tortoise off, right?
Yes. Alright, so it's got pretty good packaging. It's got that expanding foam spray thing that they do in these bags.
Oh, there's instructions.
Our instructions with handwritten notes. 12, 16, 25. I guess that's when this quality controlled. As you could see from the diagram. Oh boy. Technical difficulty time. It is literally a 2-piece system. There's the off the cat, and then the actual muffler with a clamp to attach the two. 2 pieces, very simple. It's probably gonna be the easiest exhaust I've ever done, personally. But yeah, let's reveal it. I'll take the pokey thing.
Do we need the pokey thing?
You do not need the pokey thing anymore.
Oh, what? That was redonkulous.
That was redonkulous.
Oh, shit. Look at that patina.
Well, I believe it's a 3-inch exhaust. You gotta do like a goose. And the piece to the resistance. Not that, but that's the clamp
Well,
that
that's the clamp.
That's the clamp between the mid pipe, it would be called, and the muffler.
Yeah.
So
Muffler.
get that muffler. This exhaust is pretty much as big as.
Leave it.
Honestly, this exhaust is probably that will happen. It's as big as probably like a motorcycle exhaust off of a Hayabusa.
Maybe.
You probably put that on a Hayabusa, it'll be fine. I would.
Not with these hangers though, bro.
Yeah. I mean, it's all right. I've seen prettier exhausts. It is a MagnaFlow, so like I don't know what I expected. I didn't expect pretty, but it's very industrial. Does the weld look pretty? Weldy. Look good. There's the
FlowMaster FX.
Oh, it's not a MagnaFlow. I'm sorry. I stand corrected. It is a FlowMaster FX. So, and then watch here. And this is the downturn that would go underneath the car in front of the rear axle. So, this is the exhaust. You want to put it back in and then grab the other box so we can show them the other goodies that we got. This thing just fits in there. It's crazy. You gotta be careful with these staples now because of this little monster. All right, here she comes.
You also went on Rock Auto.
Yeah, we were on Rock Auto, and there's some hardware. We just want to be safe, so we bought new hangers, 4 of them. I believe I counted correct how many we needed. So we don't have to reuse anything.
We got some more.
The gasket between the cat and the mid pipe. I figured just get a brand new one to avoid any kind of leaks. And then the actual hardware, the spring, nut, and retaining hardware, because it is a Toyota from the mid-2000s, and they are known to rust. And then, as Rock Auto normally does, they send you a magnet, which, what is that, a C10? I think it's dope.
Yeah.
All right, well, that is the unboxing. What do you think? You excited?
I'm excited. I can't wait. Frankie's excited.
Frankie's always excited. Well, Travis seems like he's excited.
Yeah.
He just wants the box. He's like, when can I have it?
I know.
And that's it. Well, thanks for joining us. This is a short, just a quick unboxing. The next video you'll see us in will be actually getting dirty and installing this thing.
I mean, I did get dirty.
I didn't. I like to stay clean.
Dirty jobs.
Yeah. Next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye, guys. Hi guys, I'm Travis, and today we are unboxing this box that I'm gonna sit in.